Hello everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day and you're working so hard. We're going to continue our work on Unit 3. We have a new rule called the closed syllable exception rule. That just means that the closed syllable exception words have a long vowel sound. Closed syllables always have short sounds. But if it's an exception, that means it doesn't follow the rule, so it becomes long. It says its own name. So we are going to do a couple of words to practice today. We're going to mix them all up. I want you to practice your trick words. D-O-N-E, D-O-N-E. That spells done. How about goes? See that short word go in front of it and then E-S? Pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y, P-R-E-T-T-Y. Shall, S-H-A-L-L. And pull, P-U-L-L. They both have the double L. You want to practice your drill today. Remember all the glued sounds we went over? I'd like you to try saying those by yourself to see if you can remember all of these glued sounds. If you need to pause the video while you say each one, then you should do that now. Then I introduced some new vowel teams. Remember, when two vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking. A-I, bait, A, echo. A-I, bait, A. A-Y, play, A, echo. A-Y, play, A. E-E, jeep, E, echo. E-E, jeep, E. E-A, eat, E, echo. E-A, eat, E, and then E-Y, key, E, echo, E-Y, key, E. Then, here comes our closed syllable exception rules. O-L-D, cold, old, echo, O-L-D, cold, old. O-L-T, colt, olt, you're riding on a baby horse, O-L-T, colt, olt. I-L-D, wild, isled, echo, I-L-D, wild, isled. I-N-D, find, eind, echo, I-N-D, find, eind. And O-S-T, post, ost, echo, O-S-T, post, ost. All right, so let's look at some closed syllable exceptions. All right, so the first one I'm going to do is the word bold. Let's tap it out. B-old. B-old. So this doesn't say b-ah, it changes it to a long vowel. So we're going to put that above there. And this is a closed syllable exception. It doesn't follow the rule. How about the word molt? M-olt. M-olt. There's our closed syllable exception again. Awesome. Ooh, this is a tricky one. How about the word ghost? G-ost. This is a tricky part. It has a G-H in the front. Isn't that silly? And then we have our ost. We're going to scoop it. It's a closed syllable exception. The vowel says O. It says its name. How about like the word grind? Like you shouldn't grind your teeth. G-eind. G-eind. We have a blend, G-R, and then it's a closed syllable exception. The vowel says its own name. It is not short like all the other closed syllables. How about the word bolt? Like we saw a lightning bolt high in the sky. B-olt. There's that closed syllable exception. Again, cross it off. It doesn't follow the rule. How about kind? Like you should always be kind to others. K-eind. Remember, we're trying to figure out how to decide if it's a C or a K. If an I follows, it's always going to be a K. This is a closed syllable exception. How about the word hind? Like the kitty cat stood up on its hind legs. Eind. We have a closed syllable ran out of room down there. So the vowel says its own name. And your last one is gold, like you found a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. G-old. So this is a closed syllable exception. And the vowel says its own name. So today what I'd like you to do is practice your drill like we just did, and then practice writing your trick words, and practice all these new closed syllable exceptions, all the words that we practiced today. Happy spelling!